Hello, I want to show you how to create a co-brandable asset for Genesis. So here on Adobe Acrobat, I have the asset that I downloaded from genesis.com, and here I have one of our templates that we're going to use to create our co-brandable asset. So the first thing you want to do is clicking Edit PDF and remove any any reference to genesis.com or any reference to their social media accounts or any links to genesis.com in this PDF. For example, we have a link here. We can delete the link from here, and now we don't have the link anymore. So I'm going to remove genesis.com from all the pages, remove the links. Maybe we don't have a link here, it's just orange. That's fine. That one's looking fine. Maybe link here. Here on the last page, we're gonna delete the visitors at genesis.com. We're gonna remove all the icons from the social. Bring this up a little bit. Here on the next step, because they're sending people from genesis.com here to two different pages, we're just gonna remove this box altogether. We can bring this gray box up here, and we're going to use this white background for the co-brandable area for partners. So now that I have removed all the links to genesis.com, the second step is to work on the cover page. So we can use this cover as our reference. I'm going to click Edit PDF. We're going to bring this white background here. I can move this one up here for now. We usually add this white background to make it easier for partners to co-brand the asset. We're gonna paste this Genesis logo from here to here. Now we can align it. And because we have the Genesis logo here, we don't need the Genesis up here. And I'm gonna bring the Genesis ebook here instead. So our cover is looking fine. Our last page is also looking fine. Now the last step is to add the form fields. To do that, you have to be in prepare form mode. You can come here and search for prepare form. Now you'll be able to see those form fields here and on the last page. We're going to go back to our original file and do the same thing, prepare form. So now you're able to copy and paste from form fields from one file to the other. So we're going to copy the company logo and paste it on the first page. Here the company logo cannot be higher or wider than the Genesis logo. So this one is looking good. We're just going to align here. Give it the same distance. Now the last page, we're gonna copy the fields from here to here, and we also need to bring this for more information contact. Then we can click close and go back to edit PDF and copy this. In this case, I'll have to copy the whole box, but it's fine. I have to go to edit PDF here. I just need the last sentence, so I'm just gonna go ahead and delete everything else, and I'm gonna place this here. I'm gonna just go back to prepare form to see if it my final version is. I think we can align the boxes to this sentence here. So I'm just gonna bring them here. All right. So you see those boxes here? They are links. They were the previous links. So we can just remove them from here. And if we have it somewhere, anywhere else, we can go ahead and delete them as well. These ones we can keep because they are the table of content. So whenever people click here, they go directly to the page where this topic is. So it's fine. And now our asset is ready to go.